Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I am here to show you what I've been working on all week. I hope you guys are doing great. It's Friday and I am excited. So you guys know that I have mentioned I have a set of 8 pair of earrings, wood blanks, on my website, and I've been creating something with each one of them almost every day, but I got stuck on the Nubian queens is what I call them. And the first set that I made had the gold metallic up top and some hoop earrings, but these, I want to show you guys that these dangle. she's got some dangling earrings on. I am so excited about those. Anyway, so I wanted to show you what I got going on. I did several of these and I am loving that copper. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. So she's got some copper earrings on, and on the back is a copper metallic, and I just put a satin finish on it. No resin on the back. So there's those, green, black, and copper. Love those. All right, so there's those. All of these that I'm showing you are on my website, and I want you to go and take a peek at them. And if you want the wood blanks, you'll find those there as well. Let's see. These are gorgeous too. Check out her earrings. She's got some rhinestone earrings on. Those don't dangle, but look at that. You got all metallic colors up there. I am loving these. What you think? So I made the back of these purple, and it's same satin. It's like an acrylic spray I put on the back. Yes, auntie, yes. Look at that. Love those. All right, that's 2. And I don't know if you noticed, but each one of them is a different shade. Their skin tones are different. So I want to make sure you guys saw that as well. We got a darker skinned girlfriend wearing some blinged out rhinestone earrings with her pink and green on. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. I love that. All right, that's number 3. I have another one. I have one pair that I did not actually finish, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway because it's on the desk and she's waiting. Check out these earrings. Blue, gold, and silver. And you see she's a different skin tone. And we have light, dark, medium. I've got all shades. So if you see the wood blanks, and I have not put the blanks on in packets of individual styles. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in having just a set of the Nubian Queen and just a set of any one that's in the 8 set. Put a comment below and I'll work on getting some of those on site too. I just cut out a bunch of these and decided to go to work and see what I could do. A lot of people liked her, the first one I did, so I decided to play around. And I'm falling in love with my Nubian Queen. So just wanted to show you guys the many different ways you can use it. And here's one that hasn't been completed yet. She doesn't even have any resin, no finish. I just finished painting her. And I think I did the back. Yeah, I did the back. And she has to get some earrings and some resin. I'm not sure how I'm gonna finish her, but that red, black, and silver is gorgeous. So now let me show you all of the ones that I've done. Here's the one that does not have any finishes on it. Here's the golden purple. And notice the different shades, guys. I can cut them and have them in different shades. You just gotta let me know if that's something you're interested in. These are absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with these. So, there we go. So these haven't been finished yet. These are ready to go. These are all on my site, all except for this one. And if you're interested in the earrings, she's got dangling earrings on. They actually move. Moving earrings. Rhinestone, rhinestone, silver. I don't know what kind of earrings I'm gonna put on her. Y'all let me know. I don't want to do hoops, but maybe something unique and different. I don't know. But there they are. What do you think about my Nubian queens? If you love these, please let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have purchased any of these from me, I'd love to see what you create with them. Just put in the comments below. Anything will help this channel. And I hope you are creating something amazing. Before I go, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. We are very close to 1,500 subscribers, which just blows my mind. I really appreciate every single one of you who watch the videos, who comment. I read every comment, and I try to reply to every single one of them. We also have a Facebook group, which is should be linked below. If you don't see it below this video, it's somewhere in any of the videos, but you can also find the link in my About section. Let's see what else. I think that's it. There will be a pre-recorded Saturday create along. I'm trying to get my fitness on the weekends, guys, and I really need to get back in shape. So some of the create alongs will be live and some will be pre-recorded. So hopefully you guys will forgive me. All right. Without any further ado, I want to say thank you. Have a blessed weekend, and hopefully you're creating something amazing. Have a great one. Bye.